Welcome friends, this is my Hyundai i10 Kappa 2 VT technology. It's a facelift version of Hyundai i10. So though it's a 7 years old car, either in looks or either in performance, it doesn't feel like 7 years old. It is well good for both cities as well as in rural areas. Its 1.2-liter petrol engine gives you enough punch in driving in both cities as well as on national highways.
Today I'm going to show you how to clean car AC vents. Your car AC vent may smell bad. So there are several ways to clean it. The best way is to use a car spray. You can directly use the spray in the AC vents so that you can get rid of bad smell. And the other way is to open AC vents. So what happened with me is I have children. So my daughter, while I was cleaning my car yesterday, so she was inside the car. She picked up small stones and dust from the floor mats, and she directly poured the dust in the AC vents. So let me show you. So these are the AC vents. Let me zoom in. And here you see some dust and some small stones picked up from the floor mat, and they were now they are inside the AC vents. Like I was like completely shocked and I was not knowing what to do. So if this is a situation, don't be panic. You can easily remove all the stones and sand by yourself. Not only on the driver's side, she has also added a small dust and sand even on the co-passenger seat AC vent also. So today I will show you how to open these AC vents and clean by yourselves. So this it depends on a car model. If you are using other models other than Hyundai i10 or for some other models, so you can directly open these chrome beading. You can directly open this up by using a screwdriver. You can directly open this up and you can take out these AC vents. And for Hyundai, it is not possible for i10. For Hyundai, we have a different procedure. While I was searching in the internet for how to open Hyundai AC vents, I didn't get any of the video, so I thought better I make a video on this. I am not a YouTuber, I don't have any channel, and I don't request you people to subscribe to my channel because I will not create any videos in the YouTube. As I saw from the internet, I tried to remove this chrome beading by using a screwdriver this way. So actually when you do this way, for other cars like Kwid and for most of the cars, it gets opened. And this chrome beading will have some clips, and it is very easy to open. Once you open this chrome beading, and you can open this AC vents. Whereas for this old model Hyundai i10, so you cannot open this way. I tried a lot and I have ended up with scratches on the chrome. You can see a little scratches on the chrome, but I could not open this. And finally what I did is I have just kept a screwdriver and I have removed these clips. Of course it is already opened because I have already opened this. So you can open this complete module. You can open this complete module with a screwdriver gently. Yes. You can open this complete module with a screwdriver or with the hands gently, and this module has come out now. This module has come out, and you can just delete. You can just remove the stones inside. You can remove all the stones inside, and so whenever you open anything, it's a good practice to clean. Now, as we have already opened this AC vent, so I recommend you to clean this AC vent with a clean cloth. So take a clean cloth and just clean from inside. So as long as you could take your hand, you can clean it from completely inside, and you can even use the Lysol spray, or you can even use Lysol. Add Lysol in the 2 or 3 drops of Lysol in the water, and you can just clean this. So let me add Lysol. Now I have a cloth which is dipped in the Lysol, and remember that this cloth should not have any water. It is just a wet cloth. It is dipped in the Lysol water, and you can clean the AC vents with Lysol water. As Lysol is a disinfectant, it will be good. So you just clean. You take your hand as long as it goes. So this can remove the bad odor from your AC. Let us do the same for the other vent. Clean this module from the outside. I have already cleaned, and let me keep it aside. Now we will remove the other vent. Okay, we followed the same procedure to remove from other vents. So start from here. Slowly you can remove one by one clips. So I already kept it open for you, and gently one by one clips you can open. And this is the other AC vent. It comes as a whole module. Now you can clean this. You can clean this AC vent. Now take the cloth, clean it from the outside, and You can even open the central AC vent this way. So I'm not able to hold the camera as well as open this. So let me open. You can slowly open this without getting scratches, and this is a bit difficult. You can open these modules and you can clean these individually. You can even wash this, and after washing, so do the same procedure for other two vents. Clean with a dry cloth or clean with a cloth dipped in Lysol. So let me clean from this side, and here I have a company fitted music system, and clean the vents inside by following the same procedure. Let me pause for a while. After cleaning the AC vents from inside and the module which we have taken out, then gently press the clips. So here you have two clips and two clips here. So you just press these clips gently so that they may not get damaged. And you have two clips on the side too. Once you open this and clean from inside this module and inner AC vent, so it is very tight and tough to fit in. So you need to apply pressure. So here you have 4 hooks, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here you have some 4 hooks. So you need to apply a lot of pressure to get it fixed as it is. Now the cleaning of central AC vents and the driver side and the left side is completed. We are affixing it. So let us fix the left side vent. So this I have already cleaned. Now you need to first fix it gently, and then you need to apply force. Then only these clips will okay, now it is intact. So this cleaning is now completed. And still you can see some, this is all because of the sand. These vents are not moving properly, but anyhow, right. This is fixed. Now let us fix the driver side AC vent. I have the module in the middle. Let me just, now I have my module here. You can just fix it slowly. Just check where are the clips first. So you have 1, 2, 3. So one at the AC vent and the other at the steering wheel. You just position it properly. Now as I said, position it properly and apply a little pressure here, and here you have a clip here, and you also have a clip here. Now this is also fixed. This AC vent is also fixed. So after fixing these AC vents, so what you do is you start your car ignition and just keep the blower on 1 or 2 or 3, and just keep this in hot position, hot air position, just for run it for 1 or 2 minutes by keeping ignition on. Now keep the ignition on and keep it at hot position, and then keep the blower. So if there is any dust, if there is any give, it will be completely wet. Just leave it for 1 or 2 minutes. By keeping blower on and by keeping it hot position, leave it for 1 or 2 minutes, and don't forget to adjust this. You just move it to right. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.